Microsoft Copilot image generator. So if you want to go ahead and then basically generate images on Microsoft Copilot, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Just launch the Microsoft Copilot app and you can ask it to generate images anywhere that you want, right? So basically you can simply give it a prompt. So you can type in generate an image of a person using a computer. Now, even on the free version, it can generate images, but I think that you will run out of image generation because you will have this type of coins that will basically take some times right here. So what you have to do is just wait a couple of seconds until the generation of the images is complete. Then once done, you will be able to go ahead and then basically you can see that you'll be able to go ahead and then find out the images. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use Microsoft Image Creator or Generator. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.